Hey, what's up, you guys? Okay, I'm genuinely excited right now. It's my first YouTube video ever. Now that I'm starting YouTube and stuff, I'm hoping that you'll get to know me more. I'll get to know you guys a little bit more. I don't know. I'm just excited. I've been talking about doing it for so long, and people who've been following me for like years and stuff kind of know that it's always been something I put off for a long time, and I'm really sorry, but now I'm doing it because I'm doing it right now. And look, I'm doing a Hello Kitty full face Hello Kitty full face makeup right now. I'm gonna drink it. This is the lip glosses. I haven't opened anything. Everything's still in the box. I'm so excited. It comes with 3 of the lip glosses. This one has all these like little glitters in it. It's called Icicle Pop. It's called Icicle Pop. And it looks like it's just like a clear with like a little bit of glitter in it, which I'm probably gonna use like the free breakout of. This one's called So Chilly. This one's called So Chilly. It's like a pink one, I think. Do I have to say that it's pink? Probably. It's the Hello Kitty and Friends collaboration with ColourPop. It's not closing. I closed it, just kidding, called Big Bow. It looks like it's kind of more like a rose color. They all have glitter in it. I don't know if you're into that. If you're into that, then you're into that. I personally don't care because it's Hello Kitty. It doesn't matter to me what it looks like as long as she's got a little bow on the box, and I'm fine. I got one of the blushes. I think there's 2. I think this is called Bundled Up. It's the blush, but this is what the box looks like. It says Hello Pretty. Hello. I think the other one was, oh, there's glitter in it. See that? But yeah, so as far as what I mean whenever I say like full face, I mean like eyes and like cheek and like lip. I don't mean like eyebrows and stuff because they didn't have any eyebrow things or like foundation things. This is the eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna be using. Pressed powder palette by ColourPop. Hello Kitty and Friends. See? They're so cute! Fun fact about me, I collect Hello Kitty book bags. I want to do kind of like a video where I show all of them. If that's something you're interested in, then please let me know in the comments below because I would be more than happy to. What if I just become a Hello Kitty channel? Do you think people would be mad at me? Okay, so listen, I didn't look at this when I bought it because I wanted it to be a surprise, and I'm very much surprised by the color palette here. It says Slay All Day on it! Okay, but look, I thought they were gonna be like reds and like pinks and stuff. It's like this purple shimmer with like this pink and like these orange blush colors. And this is a purple and it's got like shimmery. I'm putting my finger on that. Come here. And then I'm gonna go like this. Look at it. Well, you can't really see it, but you can see it on my finger. Look at that. No. But yeah, I'm excited to use this. Now I am gonna get started on my face. How about it? I bought this just for this video, so this is like the cutest, right? Isn't this the cutest thing ever? This is literally the best. I'm just gonna look like this the entire video. Forget it. I'm gonna be using NYX the Marshmallow Primer. I didn't really know this was a primer until just now whenever I read the bottle to you guys. I've been using this for a while. I really like it. I use it as a primer, so it's like not a problem that it's a primer. I thought it was a moisturizer though. And I'm just gonna be like rubbing it into my face like that. Is that too much? I put some on my hands. I'm just gonna like, whatever. I still kind of had eyeshadow on my hands, but see, look at how like happy my face looks right now. See, isn't that just awesome? If I use concealer as foundation right now, will you make fun of me? Be honest. I'm gonna do it anyways, so if you make fun of me, please make it at least kind of good. So I'm gonna be using shade 23. It's the concealer from Juvia's Place. I'm using it kind of like foundation, but like not really. You'll see what I mean. I'm using it like concealer, but without putting any foundation on. Does that make sense? I don't know. Foundation is just kind of like, it just makes me feel like I'm suffocating sometimes, so I don't like to wear it sometimes. But I really like this concealer. I like it a lot. It's really smooth and stuff. I will say you should use a powder just because it's so like smooth and creamy. It will like move. And I'm blending and I'm blending. Is that blended enough, you think? think. Probably like good enough, right? I don't know. Now, this powder is by Inglot Cosmetics in it. And it's the Stay Hydrated Pressed Powder. It looks like this. It looks like this. And I'm just gonna use Wet n Wild brush. But because this powder is like darker, if I just put it kind of all over that concealer, then it's kind of like my skin matches my neck or something. I don't know. Something like that. Is that how that works? I don't think you're supposed to do it like that, but that's how I do it. And I'm not, you know, I'm like fine right now. Don't make fun of me for using concealer as foundation because I look great right now. Well, in my opinion, I look amazing right now, and my opinion about myself is all that matters. I don't know. I just put powder on my face. Okay, that's all it was, and I just did it everywhere. I just did it all over it. I'm just going. I got these from Inglot too. I can't say that without a British accent. But I've wanted to try their products since I was like a child. But you see, just doing my eyebrows.
Now we're gonna get to the fun part.
I don't use eyeshadow primer. It's something I should. It's something I definitely should get into. But I feel like with this, you're definitely gonna have to use a primer in order for it to stay. I'm going to try without a primer today. They're actually really nice brushes. I like them. I'm going in with this bird baby. You know what exactly I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start going like that. Look at the color. And then just kind of brush it out like that. Because this is gonna be more of like a smoke out shade, I think. I'm just gonna go in with this fluffy brush. Again, under here, bring it up a little bit more. You guys know how I like to do like the eye bags and stuff, right? I think I'm gonna go on with a little bit more of this. Just a tiny bit, and go here. You guys can see that. Bring it down, kind of like a half circle-ish, like that. And that's just gonna be the start. Now I'm gonna do this eye the same thing, and then I'll come back. Now I'm gonna take this smaller-ish brush and I'm gonna go into Snowwear and I'm going to pack that all over my lid. I want to see how well it's gonna stay because there's a lot of like, which I really don't mind that much. I just don't like that it gets everywhere. But yeah, I'm just gonna pack that all over. Start from the middle and then pack it that way, like that. Whoa! And then I'm gonna go up and go just kind of like that. I mean, it is a little bit patchy, but I'm just packing it on right now anyway, so I don't really think it more matters how like it blends and stuff. You're definitely gonna have to pack it on there a few times from the looks of it. Like, it is still a pretty color the first time you put it on there, but definitely gonna have to do it a few times. Now I'm gonna take the same brush that I used for the pink color, and I'm just gonna go around this part to make the lines not as harsh, and I'm also gonna blend it down and up this way to create kind of that arch. You see, just not even applying any more eyeshadow or anything, just what was left on it, and like that. Just blending it out like that. Awesome. This eyeshadow is so pretty. I'm so excited. I was really scared. Not gonna lie to you, I was really scared because I love Hello Kitty so much, and I thought, I'm just doing the same thing on this eye, but I thought that this was going to be bad, and it was wrong of me to think anything of the sort about Miss Thing. But I did. Now I think I'm gonna go in with a mixing. I'm mixing Snow Globe with Ice Skates because I want to use every color in this as possible. But I'm just like dabbing right here. 1, 2, 1, 2. Blow on it to get all the stuff off. I'm just gonna go right in the arch, question mark. Right where like it starts fading out, and I'm just gonna blend this up. Go like that. I blended it a lot higher than I meant to. I'm just gonna do that on both sides, and then just going on the arch. It's not really blending that well, I'm not gonna lie to you. That might just be like my fault though. I don't know. I'm just gonna go in with like a completely clean brush here, and I'm just gonna like blend like this. and bring it down here. Just kind of go around. There's definitely better ways you could do this, probably. I just do it like this because it's just like, then it blends and you don't really have to worry about like putting too much color or whatever. It just goes together like that. Right now I'm going in with Cuddle Weather with this little elf brush. I don't know, I got it a couple years ago. Definitely should be cleaned. And I'm just gonna put it in the center right here. I'm just gonna put it to go up and down, patting it on there. It's not really showing up that much. It's more just like a topper, it looks like. I think to help this a little bit more, I'm gonna go in with, what was this? What was this called when it came out? Alchemist Holographic Palette by Kat Von D. This came out a long time ago, but I'm just gonna go in with the violet color. And I'm going to put it like right here, like that. Look at how pretty. It still needs a little bit of help though. I think to help this out, I'm going to go in again with Snowwear, and I'm going to put it like right here in the corner. I'm just gonna dab it a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in again and put it in the inner corner a tiny bit, but I'm just gonna dab it, and then I'm gonna go under. I'm going for something completely different now, just so you guys know, but still the same steps, you know, still the same process. I'm going to put the darker and then go under here. And I'm gonna go in with this fluffy brush. Just kind of do circle motions. Circle motion right here. Circle motion down. And then I'm gonna go in with this little doodad again. And I'm gonna go in with Cuddle Weather right here. And I'm just gonna plop that right in the middle. It is a little bit mixed with the purple in the Alchemist palette by Kat Von D. Just a tiny bit. It's just kind of like leftovers on the brush, just to give it a little bit more oomph. You know what I mean? I'm gonna do that on this side too. And then probably get to the eyeliner. Alright, so I think that's all I'm gonna use out of the eyeshadow palette. I really liked it. This is what I pulled from it just now with my little doodle brain. So to wrap up my eyes and stuff, I'm just gonna do eyeliner and mascara. I'm going in with Wet n Wild Color Icon Multi-Stick, and I'm just gonna take a little smudgy brush. See, I'm gonna pull down my waterline just a tiny bit, and I'm just gonna smudge it in there and then go up just a tiny bit like that. Yeah, and then I'm gonna take this and blend it around just to give it kind of like a smudgy look, you know. And I'm just gonna fling it out that way just a little bit and smudge it in just like that. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more. I'm sorry, it's really hard to like put this inside of my eyeball and also look up, you know what I mean? Do that on this side, do that on this side, look at that. Oh, eye pulling, trigger warning, I don't know. All right, I'm gonna go in with Benefit Bang mascara. I really like this mascara. I really like their concealers and their highlighters too. I lost my highlighter, but I ran out of the concealer because I just used it so much that it went all gone bye-bye. Definitely do recommend good stuff from Benefit. Look, now to wrap everything up, I'm going to do my blush. Hello, pretty. Hi. Hi. Now I'm just gonna tap on into Bundled Up here, and it's so pretty. I probably screamed too loud. It's so pretty though. You guys, I think I just found my new favorite blush. You hear that, little butts? Hear that, little bunny, little poppy? They jumped when I said that. But this blush is so cute. I'm putting it on my little nose right here and kind of on my Cupid's bow. I don't know. I think whenever you like put blush on your nose right here and then put it kind of on your Cupid's bow, it gives you kind of like that bunny mouth effect, if you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put this highlighter on top of it. This is not my favorite highlighter, but it is the highlighter that is pretty. Blinded by the Light, Too Faced. This is really old. I don't remember when they came out with this, but it's the only highlighter I really have right now that I like enough. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Okay, now going in with Big Bow. Are you ready? You know what? Give me a second. I'm gonna do something different. Hold on, I'm gonna go wipe this off. I got a better plan. This is why I'm changing it, because it's really pretty. I'm gonna go in with In Vogue by Juvia's Place. I'm just gonna Going with Invo. And then I'm gonna go color the lip pencil, also by Juvia's Place. I like their stuff a lot. Basically what I'm saying is I'm taking this brown pencil and just outlining really quick. So pretty. So now I'm gonna put the Hello Kitty lip gloss on again, part 2. Look! Oh my god. Okay, you guys, I will be back with the finished look. How about it? Okay, guys, here is the finished look. Well, I mean, it was already finished. I just kind of brushed my hair. But what do you guys think, huh? I feel really pretty. Overall, I really liked everything. The eyeshadow was a little bit patchy, but I feel like if you use like a primer, then you'll be fine. That's just like a me problem, probably. That's probably just a me thing. But thank you so much for hanging out with me for my first video ever. I hope it was a fun time. I had a fun time, and I'm excited to start making more. I'm gonna be uploading every week. I'm super excited to start and, you know, have you guys figure out a little bit more about me, because I'll be talking a lot more, because I don't really talk in Instagram pictures. I'm just hoping it'll be a fun time. I want to do all types of different content. Right now I'm just starting my makeup tutorials because it is what comes easiest to me. I'm just really excited to start. It's something I've wanted to do for a really long time, so to finally be doing it feels really good. Yeah, but that's it. I don't know. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye.